This is Amber with WaveRez, and we're going to go over the customer order screen. Now, this is going to be a general overview to the order screen, but when you first open an order, it's going to give you some basic information, the name, order number, when it was created, when it was booked for, total, and if there's anything due. Now, it'll open up the overview screen where you'll get a general information about the order, but you can click into other tabs to edit the customer's information, as well as apply promos, recent order confirmations. You can go into trips and see the trips that they have, as well as adjust any dates, times, equipments for that trip. The payment screen will give you the payment information for the trip and a breakdown of the monetary amounts in the trip. The notes screen just gives you notes. If the customer inputted any notes when they made a reservation, it'll be here, as well as if you made any comments on the reservation, it will also be here. The log is just the log for everything that has happened inside of the trip since it was created.